So hello everyone. Today I am going to share with you some of my awesome books that are really a great recommendation for you guys, and basically these are really great and incredible books that will definitely help you to transform your life into a great life. So one of my favorite books is that Tools of Titans, and the writer of this book is that Tim Ferriss, and it is actually all about your health, wealth and wisdom. Like if you read this book, you can improve your health, wealth as well as your wisdom, and this book will definitely teach you, guide you in a certain way in every field. And basically Tim Ferriss is a podcaster, and he has recommended like so many successful people like Elon Musk and so many like Steve Jobs. Okay, and these are great and talented people who have invited him on their like interview on his podcast, and he has recorded all the sessions. And if you want to like follow him, you can follow him on YouTube channel like on Tim Ferriss, and all the recorded session he has written in text content, and all the sessions he has written on this particular book that will definitely teach you in every aspects of life. So Tools of Titan, guys. And this book is such as like this book is sort of like a huge, but actually this is looking like a huge, but the chapters are really very short, which will definitely you can understand. And this book is really very easy to understand and very soft to English he has written, guys. It's really awesome book. It's one of my favorite book, and this book like had been suggested one of my friends, and I have been reading books like I have been reading this particular book like for the last many months, and this book is really awesome. So I would like to suggest you must read this particular book as well. Okay, and the next an awesome book is that Attitude is Everything. Change your life. Change your attitude, change your life. The writer of this book, Jeff Keller, and he is actually a motivational speaker as well as a lawyer. Okay, and this chapter like Attitude is Everything, and this book is really easy to understand, and this book is all about your motivation, like the way you behave with people, and the thing people are not able to do. So this book will guide you, teach you to improve your life. Like for example, if you want to become a lawyer and your attitude is that yeah, you have to become a lawyer, so this book will definitely guide you to become a lawyer, and it will raise you, it will increase you towards your success. Okay, and for example, the chapters are here very awesome, like which I would like to show you guys. Some chapters are really awesome here, like such as see, like your attitude is your window to the world. You are a human magnet. Picture your way to success. Make a commitment and you will move mountains. Turn your problems into opportunities. There are actually 4 parts, and every parts has different chapters, which will definitely help you guys. And the night that changed my life, it's really extremely like motivational story, and by reading you can improve your communication skill. For example, if any person asks you how are you, then occasionally you will reply, yeah, I'm okay, fine, yeah, it's not my day, yeah, it's fine day. But this book will teach you how to reply those people, the person who are asking you how are you. This book will teach you like there are negative people, mediocre people and positive people. So this book will teach you how to reply as a positive way to the people. So you must read this, my personal recommendation, guys, for you. Okay, and the next and one of the amazing book is that How to Win Friends and Influence People. This book has been written by Dale Carnegie. He's really my awesome person. He's my personal ideal person, and this book will teach you how to improve your communication skill. Means how to talk to the people whenever you are going any public places, any offices, any institutions, any universities, and how to talk and in what situation, what to speak and when to speak and how to speak and what kind of words which you have to use, so that it will impact on people and you will be able to influence and win the friends Okay, so if you want to make more and more friends, if you want to make like more and more clients, if you want to connect, if you want to associate with more and more people around the world, so it's my personal recommendation for you guys. You must read this particular book as soon as possible. And this book can be found very easily in Flipkart and Amazon, and there are so many online platforms, and chapters are really very easy to understand. Fundamental techniques in handling people. There are so many parts. If you want to gather honey, don't kick over the beehive. So this book is really awesome book, guys. So you must read it. Next, and that is none other than Rich Dad Poor Dad. And who doesn't know about this particular book around the world? This book is really well known around the world. This is very famous book actually. And the writer of this book is Robert Kiyosaki, and this book will solve your financial problem. If you want to improve your financial skills, your business skills, your assets, your liabilities, this book will teach you how to manage your business and how to create a big company if you want to do, and how to improve your life, how to save your money, and in which place you should invest your money, so that it will help you, all the money help you for the rest of your life in every aspects of life. So this book is really very, it is little heavy, but this is very easy to understand, and this book will teach you how to manage your money. Okay, and actually if I talk about this book, there are two dads, and both of them have similar education. Their education system is good, and both of them have same education, but their mindset is really good. A person has suggested that our dad suggested that you must read hard so that you can become a job person, and the second dad has suggested that you must read so that you can create a big company, you can create a more and more jobs for the people, okay, so that they will be able to work in your company. So this book will teach you, don't be a job person, you have to become a businessman. And this book is really awesome. It's my favorite book, all time favorite. Okay, this book has really so many things has given me. Okay, so you must read this book, guys. And next is that Autobiography of Yogi. This book is really very calm, and if you read this book, you will become very humble and very sophisticated person, very innocent person. This book will teach you spirituality, and this book is all about the civilization of our Indian ancient thoughts, Indian ancient stories which had been covered in this particular book. And this book is all about a previous ancient generation, whatever the people used to do, all the life stories has written, guys. This book is really awesome book, and I actually tell you that this book is really heavy book, and if you while reading this book you will not be able to understand every single